Good morning students and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dakshit from New Area Senior Wing. Children, this video is for class 7 and today we shall read conjunctions. Now what do you mean by a conjunction? A conjunction is a part of a speech that connects words, sentences, phrases or clauses. A conjunction is also called a joining word. It is essentially used to join words, group of words or sentences. For example, he lost the petal but did not lose heart. You can either buy a muffler or a scarf. Now conjunctions are classified into three kinds, or they are divided into three groups: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and correlative conjunction. Now first, coordinating conjunction. What do you mean by coordinating conjunction? Coordinating conjunctions allow to join words, phrases and clauses of equal grammatical rank in a sentence. The most commonly used coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet and so. Clear, students? Example: Priyanka plays the drum and Supriya plays the flute. Now you see in these sentences both can play, but both can play different musical instruments. So these two, Priyanka as well as Supriya, are of same rank. Clear, students? Coordinating conjunctions are of four types: coordinating conjunction of addition, coordinating conjunction of contrast, coordinating conjunction of choice, coordinating conjunction of reasoning. Clear, students? Now what do you mean by coordinating conjunction of addition? These conjunctions add one statement to another, and, both, and, as well as, no less than, and not only but also. All these are coordinating conjunctions. Now contrast. These conjunctions express opposition or contrast between two statements. But, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, all these are examples of coordinating conjunction of contrast. Now your next is coordinating conjunction of choice. These conjunctions express a choice between two alternatives: either or, neither nor, otherwise, else. All these are coordinating conjunction of choice. Now the fourth is coordinating conjunction of reason. These conjunctions express one statement or fact derived as conclusion on the basis of another fact. For example, so, there, for, all these are coordinating conjunction of reason. Her mother has fallen ill. So, or you can also use therefore, she has taken leave. Clear, students? Then is correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pair of conjunctions that work together. Some examples are either or, neither nor, not only but also. All these are examples of correlative conjunctions. Our next is subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions join independent and dependent clauses. A subordinating conjunction can be single, a cause and effect relationship, a contrast, or some other kinds of relationship between the clauses. Clear, students? And some of the subordinating conjunctions are after, when, where, whether. All these are subordinating conjunctions. Now, types of subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions introducing noun clause and subordinating conjunction introducing adverbial clause. Clear, students? In adverbial clause, there will be adverb of place, adverb of reason, adverb of consequences, purpose. All these are subordinating conjunctions introducing to adverbial clause. Clear, students? Tomorrow I will explain the details of subordinating conjunction, coordinating conjunction. Okay? And today you will read this from your book. Understood, children? That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.